Hey, Columbia, South Carolina, we are coming to town next Monday night. We will be at the Factory 10 from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. delivering our influential selling workshop. Hey, why do you need to be there? If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a small business owner, and you want to start or scale your existing business, you want to be there. We're going to help you define your purpose and gain some clarity around your vision of your business and what you're really trying to accomplish. We're going to talk about your products, your goods, and your services, and how do you be profitable? How do you position your product in the marketplace so that people will want to do business with you? We're going to talk about how to develop people, and it starts with you. But then we're going to talk about how to hire a great team, how to enlist others to come around your vision and build a great business. We're also going to talk about connecting with your community and your customers and how to do that at a very high level. I want to talk to you a little bit about promotion. How many of you got a great product, man? You've been struggling to get the word out. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to give you a simple, proven system to improve your messaging and your marketing. And finally, we're going to talk about the sales process. I have seen so many entrepreneurs and small business owners with a great team, with great products, in a great community, and yet they still seem to struggle and grow the business. And a lot of times it's because they don't have a proven, simple sales process to follow, and I am going to give that to you next Monday night. Hey, Tanya said, Gary, can you do something more? And yes, we can. Here's what we're going to do. In January, we do a success event. It's designed to help launch you into a new year and have success unlike ever before. And that is a $297 ticket price for that event, but we are going to include a ticket to our January success event just by registering for the Influential Selling Workshop. It's only $47 for 2 hours of instruction. It's going to be a great time. You're going to be able to network with other business owners. We've got a few spots remaining, and I encourage you to get signed up today. You can go to GaryLBarker.com. That's GaryLBarker.com and purchase your ticket for the Influential Selling Workshop next Monday night, Columbia, South Carolina. We'll see you there.